In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Doordash not accepting PayPal. First thing you need to check is your PayPal account. Ensure your PayPal account is in good standing. Log in and verify that there are no issues or limitations on your account. 2. Confirm Doordash partnership with PayPal. Check if Doordash still accepts PayPal as a payment method, and payment methods can change, so it's worth confirming. If PayPal isn't listed on the Doordash app, it might not be an available option currently. 3. Update Doordash app. Outdated apps can be prone to glitches. Make sure your Doordash app is up to date by visiting their app store and hitting the update button. 4. Alternative payment methods. If direct PayPal payment isn't working, consider using a PayPal Cash card or PayPal Key. Add either of these options directly to Doordash as your payment method. And finally, contact Doordash support. If you're still experiencing issues, reach out to Doordash support for assistance. Contact them through the app or their website. They're dedicated to helping you resolve any payment-related issues. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.